I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on the Sparx skate sharpener machine in home.
In home, yep. So, I will be doing the actual opening, and Lauren can kind of help out with the narrating. But like I've seen every video, everybody's got a cool knife, so I get the knife out so we can. So this is just an unboxing. We'll do a
tutorial.
We'll do a review after I get it calibrated with the skates. I mean, we got a lot of junior skates. We got
skates we don't use.
No,
we'll sharpen them and get rid of them.
No. Because you need to use a certain adapter for junior skates. So I'll probably set it up. I'll probably set it up.
Oh, can I do the?
I'll probably set it up for the adult skates and then.
No, do the kids skates. Okay, so.
Kids have been having their skates sharpened at the rink, but mine could
what
probably use to.
This is the ring.
Yep, that's a sharpening ring.
Okay, and then there is, what is this?
This is the one that comes with it. We didn't buy any extras, so that's the 1/2 inch. That's pretty standard in Minnesota. I mean,
what is that?
We have some other
I'll just give it to you and you'll show it.
options that you can do at some of the fancier rinks, like Braemar or
has a sticker you can put down there.
Prior Lake.
Stick on.
I think they do like a 5/8 inch. But these are the calibrating tools.
This is the.
It's like a little scope in here.
This is like the biggest construction
Yep,
I've ever seen.
That's the owner's manual. Yep. Okay, start pulling the foam out. I've watched a couple videos, so I'm pretty familiar with how to set the machine up. But we'll probably go through.
Ooh, there's more stuff.
We'll probably go through and make sure we're doing everything correctly. That is the handle to lock down that attaches on the outside of the machine, and that's the calibrating wheel. That's the calibrating wheel. Yeah, that's the power cord. Okay, let's get the knife put away before.
I think you might need the knife. We didn't need to cut.
Yep.
Because it weighs like a 10 pounds.
Approximately 50 pounds. So it's pretty heavy. And it kind of looks like a printer. Like a computer printer. Zach's going to help with the unboxing here. Be careful. Let's put that in another box. Put that foam in that box right there.
Oh, this looks like American Girls. See it? See it?
She didn't say that. She was just kidding. She doesn't know anything about dolls. Right? She's a hockey player. She doesn't play with dolls. And then the other unboxing videos, the guys are drinking a beer, so some compliments to Spider Lake Resort. There you go, Dean. I'm promoting your business. There you go, buddy.
Hat. It's a hat.
All right. Okay, careful.
It feels like it weighs more than me and I weigh more than it.
Okay, let's keep going.
Only like a few more pounds. How much does it weigh? 57 pounds, right? And I weigh 77 pounds.
Let's save this. Let's save all these pieces in case we have to return it.
Yeah, that's why you rip it, right? Whoa!
Right? We don't need any negative comments from the peanut gallery. Okay.
Don't break your
You
wrist.
got the power cord out?
Is it heavy?
Yep. Zach, pull the box away. Oh my God.
Oh, I can't have the box.
That's pretty quality.
Whoa.
Okay, get off the table, please.
Come on, Dad. So, can I take this tape off? This is what it looks like.
We're kind of far away with the filming, so I'm gonna try to zoom in a little bit here. Just a little more.
So you could be a chair.
Okay.
Guys, really want
Yeah,
a
let's
chair.
try to just take it off without tearing it.
So you could use these. Yeah, you know how you want one of those chairs that you use as a hockey in?
Yep. That's kind of cool, actually. That'd be comfy on a cold bench seat at the ice arena. Okay, Lauren, can you get down, please, babe?
There's glass. Be careful. Why is it glass?
Why? Because it's quality, not cheap plastic.
Supposed to be
Yep.
I hope the glass
That's where you see it closer to the edge.
goes all the way around. What's all
It's edge.
This is
So
like
it's
a-
closer to the camera.
this? Take it on your own skate sharpening business.
Okay, let's take the zip tie out, or the wire tie out that. Power cord.
So this is the power
get
cord
that
that
plugged
the
in.
foot on or something like that.
Get it plugged in and plug it into the. It says. This must be like a little
loud?
travel guard. Okay, so
What's a travel guard?
do not discard. Do not discard the travel guard. It says.
What's the travel guard?
I believe you gotta put this handle
Here,
on.
this is
Yep, I'll plug it in.
not long enough.
Yes, it'll be.
Yeah, you need to move it back.
Oh, just reroute it between the two chairs. Lauren,
That's fine.
hold between the
Ding dong.
shortest distance.
Don't you keep moving back up?
Is it gonna make it?
Yep. Move it back just a tiny bit.
Okay, stop.
Daddy, don't pull the cord out of the wall. Why
Okay.
What is it?
Yep, that went on pretty easy actually.
What is it?
So this is what holds this is the handle that holds the blade in place when you drop your skate in there. That went on pretty easy.
Oh. Or you can use it as a cup holder.
Okay, we got some
now,
more
and
plastic.
then here.
We got some more plastic to remove. Tray. This is the collection tray for the
What is it for?
the
Sheds.
shavings.
Plastic.
No, the shavings that come off the blade from the grinder.
What's this? I want to put
That's air filter. Yep. Got an air filtration system, so it's not blowing.
No,
Not blowing the
When I
shavings
said
into the air that
plastic
you
because
breathe.
it makes me think of getting steak seconds after you try it and plastic all from the chemical.
Oh, the shavings from the synthetic ice cream shredded.
So if you guys want those chairs that you just still games, buy one of these and you get one. Like 2 free ones. Whoa, that's cool. Is this the
I
where's
believe.
the blade?
They do not sell these on Amazon.
Don't really
Nope.
sell them.
I'm not promoting this to sell it, Zach. I'm just promoting it. I'm not really promoting it. I'm just
What
doing
is
an
this
unboxing
thing?
video.
Do
This is
not.
not about promoting the Sparx machine. It's just an unboxing. People can watch it and figure out if they'd like to
Where do we get it from? Like what online?
purchase it. I'm actually gonna try to do some skate sharpening for the kids on the hockey teams. So.
Like my team or like things like that. Oh yeah, we can do
And
it
these
for my
must be the
So what do you do with
for the
this?
junior skates, the adapters, little pieces.
Why do you need a
I don't know if you
dip?
can see those.
Because our skates are smaller.
Can I open this box?
Yep, it's a.
Now we're gonna be opening this
We got a
box.
calibrated though.
Rings. Remember that?
That's the sharpening ring. That's what actually sharpens it.
Does it hurt if you touch it?
Nope. It's just a diamond wheel.
How is it? Isn't that you use a diamond thing?
It uses diamonds that are embedded into. There's no, well, it's similar, yeah.
Like
It uses
this
diamonds that are embedded into the metal.
That's not even. How does that cut something?
Because diamonds are sharper than steel. Or harder, I should say harder.
Does that mean we're harder than steel?
No.
We're harder than steel?
Not cutting me.
Not supposed to.
I know where do you put it? Right there.
Can you please get off the table now? I don't want you just connecting the power cord. Come on. Okay.
Yeah.
We're gonna.
I need you to switch this back because it's the
Stop it, please.
The cord's gonna come out.
No, that's fine.
Can I turn it on?
Did you plug it in?
Seat. Yes.
Okay.
I got the box. I'm not
Okay, there's a power switch on the back.
And then there's a go button.
And there's a go
So we're
button.
gonna see if this is our first official power up. Okay. We have lights. All right. So we're gonna go into calibrate mode here.
So you don't even need to use instructions to tell me?
We're gonna put the eyepiece in.
Whatever that means. Whatever it is. This is like
This is the
amazing.
calibrator.
Link it.
Like a little, I don't know, telescope.
Telescope? Why do you need a telescope first?
Just be quiet.
Whoa! That's
Coming
cool.
into position for the
It's moving!
calibration wheel.
Calibration!
Move,
One
Lauren.
more, please.
I want to see it.
So do they.
Hi, YouTubers. Dad, did you remake your beef jerky?
Yep, turn over here. Hold this. And there's a little button.
This is making fat.
Calibrate. Like I said, I watched some videos on it.
But where do you
so-
put the skate? Like a magnet?
And I'm gonna have to look down the glass here.
Let's make it big. Ah.
It looks like it's a little off, so
How do you, I guess this. Let me look. This is
I'm gonna have to calibrate it towards me a little bit.
How do you know if it's off? Wait. Or somebody just ran into our garbage can. Zach, how is this a Christmas card?
That's Jesus.
I know, but it's supposed to be a Christmas card. It's a message. There's no picture.
Yes, there is.
Of the family?
I don't know.
That's what, who's that say? Um,
You have to manually do this. Hold on.
who's outside? I'm gonna fight for the right to fight.
That looks pretty good.
So there you go. There's our.
So we are good on the calibration.
So, yeah, it's like.
Alright. Now we gotta adjust the cutting wheel. Sorry for the interruption. Hey guys, let's go outside. Zach, come on.
Are you
Alright.
done with your video?
Nope. Now I'm gonna put the.
right now.
Seriously, don't want
Just
this
one.
I'm gonna zoom in a little more here.
Jump up and see if you can.
I'm gonna zoom in just a little more here.
Oh, is that not going to be this one? Come in here. We'll use after the class.
So
There's a dozen of
we're gonna put
those.
the wheel on
I get 6.
and adjust
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
the grinding wheel to the blade, I guess.
Seriously, is Dad trying to take over your
Yeah, I'm trying to
video
think.
making?
Lisa,
No.
we're gonna,
Okay, bring it back
I
up.
think we're gonna use Mom's skates for this. Are yours juniors
I
or are they
just
adults?
got mine
Oh,
sharp.
and
Are they juniors or adults?
moms.
Move. No
Okay,
one
who wants to be the guinea skates?
The
Zach just had E-Train last night.
me.
Okay, we're
Guinea
gonna
pigs.
we'll set up for junior skates, I guess.
Bracket.
Go get them. Go get me one. Get me both.
Oh yeah.
Your hockey bag is right inside the garage.
Mom, can you put the stuff inside this box away?
Put some shoes on.
Box?
Oh, no, that was the garbage. Here.
Well, I guess we're gonna do an unboxing and a sharpening. Isn't that exciting?
And be very careful with this because there's glass at the bottom.
Oh, we're not professionals here.
And whatever this is.
Well, every video I watched, guys had cool knives
is
and a beer while they were doing it. So I'm like,
What's that from?
this is a honing stone that you rub on the side of the blade
A
to
honing?
get the
What is
burrs
that?
off. I don't know what that little piece of leather is for.
It's leather?
You better read the instructions.
I don't have my skate bars.
Leather.
Where are they?
Leather. In the bottom of my bag.
Well, that's not a good place for them.
My mom rolled this off.
You normally put them on.
What do you think that's for? I'm not sure what this leather, the honing stone and the leather.
You want to make sure
strap?
that you put, especially when you
See
get
that?
off the ice. You don't want to
Here's some advice. If you hate like reading instructions and trying doing it, just go on YouTube and watch a video.
You're doing the right thing.
Okay, so we're gonna do what size 6 is? Size 3.
Blow it up. Blow the dust off, Dad.
Okay, everybody
Or
back.
wipe it off.
You're gonna close that glass thing, right?
Right.
So metal doesn't fly in our eyes.
Mom, I'm okay.
Yeah, Zach. Put
Look
some
at, I'm
protective
okay. I'm
eyewear.
fine.
Those are wild glasses.
Mhm.
Oh, they fit you good, Lauren. Let me see.
They don't fit me at all.
Those are cute.
Please don't be loud.
You want to give them to somebody, Zach?
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know if these are considered
Bring
junior
'em in
size.
here.
Are these junior size or would these be a
Would mine
adult?
be bigger
Would these
than
be
that?
adult size 3 or are these a junior size?
Mine's adult size
Those are
3
junior.
and
Okay,
a
so
half.
I'm gonna try it with the juniors, I guess. I don't know.
Dad, is my skate bigger?
Okay,
than
everybody stand back, please.
Got my projection glasses
Come
on.
on here.
Not even Dad knows what he's doing.
Yeah, he's a pro at everything. Yeah. Hey, we have one.
I think that looks pretty good. That's pretty easy. It's just pretty much up or down. Close it.
Yes, don't forget to close it. I don't know what happened. We have things.
And then you can adjust how many passes it does.
I gotta see this. I gotta.
So it considers one pass forward and back as one pass. So it says the standard is 4, but I'm just going to consider it as, 8 passes, but I guess twice is once. So I'm going to just go down to 2.
Wait, does it by itself? You don't even
start
have
the
to hold
machine.
it.
Let's see.
That's cool. Come on.
So it should go one more time.
Maybe not.
Yeah.
That sounds cool.
So how often do you have to replace those sharpening stones?
I'm gonna frost the rest
It
of it.
says
Don't put it back in there. Leave it right there.
it looks like a printer, doesn't it? It says every 50 sharpenings, but you can choose up to 10 passes, and a pass is actually front and back once. So I just did 2. So one front and back twice. So
That's supposed to be sharp. Are you gonna do another one again?
I don't know. I'm just gonna turn the machine off here.
Okay, then we're
Put
done.
my other skate in.
Let's see how the first one turned out.
Now, let's see how the first one turned out.
Are we done? Can I say that so often?
Inside and outside edge, good.
It's a 1/2 inch radius, so it does both at the same time. Oh.
You cutting your nail?
They have some different radiuses too.
Oh yeah, that's sharp. Is it? Be quiet!
Why don't we let the dogs in? Ross, you need to put this away.
Looks pretty good.
So you have to open the door wider to get in on pages like.
I'm gonna do the honing.
Okay. We should do what Brenda does. Mom says a Christmas turkey.
You like that, huh?
Uh-huh.
Did anybody check the mail today?
I'm over here now.
Okay.
I landed it!
Where's your sister?
Oh!
Nobody's throwing it. Crab. Whoa, heads up.
Mom,
I think it feels pretty good.
I have a question.
Okay, let's go for skate number 2. And then Zach will be the real guinea pig. What do we have? What does he have? A scrimmage? He has a scrimmage tomorrow? Let's hopefully the skates will
Don't! Break my chair.
be. This one's pretty beat up. He just
We're
had
actually just sharpen all.
he just had E-Train on synthetic ice, so this one's pretty beat up. I might do a little more passing on that.
Do 2 more.
So,
Or 4.
because he just had his skate sharpened before E-Train. So
Yeah,
E-Train.
these are pretty.
You train Jackson up a lot. Mom, can you take this off?
Crazy.
My garbage. Down in the box.
You can throw it in the garbage. Bring it up.
Push it forward.
Throw it in the
Okay,
How many?
How'd your spelling test go?
4?
I just got
You
no, I'm
forecast.
just gonna do 2 again. See what.
What'd you get wrong?
compete.
I just want to see
Oh,
what.
we got that one. You had trouble with that one last night.
And it's COMPEAT.
Yeah. That's how you spelled it last night. That's a word that you should know how to spell.
I was like such a dork.
Why are you climbing underneath?
I'm trying to look at it.
Oh, I thought you were trying to say I was video.
Don't open it in there. No. Put it in an open garbage. No, stop. You put it in the top.
Let's save that in case we need to send it back for
You
something.
don't.
Lauren.
I know that. I'm over there. That's telling things.
That hoarding thing?
Can you come up there? Please open the door. Can you open the door? Where's we put it? Oh, I got yours.
Ah, that thing's super.
What is real like this?
Okay. I guess you just turn it up.
See, Mom, I'm gonna use this as a chair. Look at it. You can go to like, you know, the hockey chairs.
I thought there'd be like a stop. Something, but
No,
switch over that.
it's a box. It's a box, box, box.
Push down hard.
Box. Box. So you can just put anyone's face in there. It doesn't have to be.
Yeah.
Mom, can you send me away?
Your skates are pretty
Send me away.
almost gone. So a lot of skates will have like a little, almost like a vertical.
Oh my gosh, that is sharp. Mom, close the box up. That does a good job.
I hope so. Well,
Okay, here.
and those are pretty beat up too. And that 2 passes.
Let me try this one.
Nope, it's already done. We already sharpened that one. Yep, I did both of them already.
Wait, did you push open that? Push it open. I didn't tape it.
2 passes is actually 4 times. It's actually
Take the video on me.
1 pass is considered front and back.
Do it again. I like that.
All right. Well, I'll let Zach do a little performance review after his scrimmage tomorrow. See if he's losing an edge or, but they feel pretty quality.
Yeah, a lot of people
Bye.
wants to